Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Goofy Glove. This special item in slap battles requires a unique method involving other players. You'll need to coordinate with two friends or helpful strangers to complete a specific sequence of events. Successfully doing so will grant you the exclusive Chaos Badge, which then unlocks the Goofy Glove for your collection. It's a fun, cooperative challenge. To begin your quest for the Goofy Glove, you'll need to gather a small team. Find one player who has the Confusion Glove and another who already owns the Goofy Glove. This can be done by asking in a public server or by inviting friends to a private match. Their cooperation is essential for the next steps. Once you have your two helpers, head into the main arena. The first step is to be hit by the player using the Confusion Glove. This will apply a visual effect, often a purple tint, indicating you are confused. While still under this effect, quickly get slapped by the player who has the Goofy Glove. This precise order is critical for success. After successfully being hit by both gloves in the correct order, you will instantly earn the Chaos Badge. This badge is the key to unlocking the Goofy Glove. Once earned, simply return to the lobby, and the Goofy Glove will be available in your inventory. Its special Goober ability will ragdoll opponents and make their movement slippery for several seconds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.